What is throttle response and what does Pedal Commander, a throttle response controller, do for it? Most newer vehicles are manufactured with electronic throttle control, or ETC. This means your acceleration is no longer powered with the old-school throttle cable that gave you a linear relationship between your foot and the throttle body. But now, everything is powered by electronics in your car's computer, the electronic control unit, or ECU. When you press your foot on the gas, that signal goes to the position sensor which is built into the gas pedal, which then goes to the engine control module, or ECM, a part of the engine control unit, or ECU, which tells the motor to turn, and then that motor is connected to the butterfly valve, opening or closing it, and then that's connected to the needle on the potentiometer, moving that needle upwards or downwards, and that sends a signal to the throttle position sensor, and then that signal gets sent back to the engine control module. If you let off the gas, the butterfly valve goes to a closed position, moving the potentiometer needle downwards. If you put your foot on the gas, it goes to an open position, moving that needle upwards. This electronic throttle does not provide the same performance as it creates a lag from your initial accelerator push. Manufacturers limit the response of the throttle in two ways. First, they limit how much of the butterfly valve within the throttle body will open or close. For example, you can press the gas pedal all the way, but the engine control module, or ECU, will max out at 80%, depending on the manufacturer. Second, the ECU limits how fast the butterfly valve within the throttle body will open. The Pedal Commander connects in line with the harness at the engine control unit system at the pedal position sensors and is designed to take that information and compile it in a high-speed control circuit. It also slightly advances that number and sends it directly to the ECU. By sending the information to the computer this way, a couple of checks that the engine computer will make can be bypassed before sending the signal to open the throttle plate. In other words, Pedal Commander gives you full control over that response, whether you want a softer response to save gas, sending that signal slower and altering the mapping of the butterfly valve to open slower at a lower limit, or a faster response for increased sensitivity at City, Sport, or Sport Plus mode, sending that signal faster and altering the mapping to open the butterfly valve faster and allowing it to go to a higher limit. Get your Pedal Commander today and live life full throttle.